Hello students, welcome to your computer class. Today we will talk about advanced feature of Word. Word it means MS Word. It is a application of Microsoft company. MS stands for Microsoft. Microsoft Word. Let's we talk. MS stands for Microsoft. Word is the application of Microsoft company. In Word, we can make our document with the help of picture, images, and we can type the letter, we can write a book, or we can send an email also. We can make a email with the help of Microsoft Word. Even with the help of Word, you can make your question paper, आंसर शीट, योर नोट्स एंड सो ऑन. जिस तरह आपकी बुक्स डिजाइन की हुई है, हैव यू सीन द बुक? टेक आउट योर बुक. आप बुक में देखेंगे कि बहुत सारे कलर्ड हैं, बीच बीच में पिक्चर्स भी आ रही हैं, इमेजेस भी आ रही है, कहीं कहीं पे पैराग्राफ वाइज टेक्स्ट भी लिखा हुआ है. सो दिस फैसिलिटी, इवन वहां पे देखो आपके पास फैसिलिटी है जिसको हम कहते हैं स्क्रीनशॉट. स्क्रीनशॉट Screenshot also we can take in MS Word documents. How we can do all these things, how we can add all these things to our book, to our letter or to our document. We will talk today about the advanced feature of Microsoft Word. Word allows us, first feature of Word is adding illustration. Word allows us to add various type of graphics like pictures, screenshots, smart art graphics, charts, and even in Word we can add the shapes of different predefined pictures. पहले से बनी हुई पिक्चर्स की फोटोज भी हम इसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं. In the insert tab, illustration group, you get so many different options. Now first of all, we will talk about add a picture from file. So the first one is insert picture from file. Insert picture from file. Now in insert picture, you get the answer here only. You will get this answer in insert tab. In insert tab, it will be in illustration group. Illustration is a group. Insert tab, illustration group, you will get the option. Which option you will get? That is picture option. In picture option, when you will click on the picture option, you will get many pictures which are saved in your computer. You can select that pictures and click or browse that picture to your file. But before all this work, you have to do the main work. What is the main work? Look here, I will show you the example. हमारी जो ये स्क्रीन होती है, मॉनिटर स्क्रीन, जो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड की स्क्रीन है. Okay, here you will get that menu bar and groups and illustrations and tabs and different things. Now this is our document area. ये हमारा document area है जहाँ हम work करते हैं. So where you want to add the picture? Example, I had written here something, 2-3 lines I had written over here. Now I want to add the picture here. मैं यहाँ एक picture add करना चाह रही हूँ. तो what I have to do the first of all, I have to put my cursor over here in the document. मैंने यहाँ पहले cursor रखा. After that, all these tasks I have to perform. That is, I have to click on Insert tab. There are so many tabs on the top of the screen here. Home tab and number 2, Insert tab. So you will click on Insert tab, Illustration group and Picture option. As we will click on the picture option, so many picture window will appear in front of us. There you will get so many different pictures. Which picture you want, click on that picture and click on insert button, or directly you can double click on this picture. The picture will get inserted on this place where your cursor is there, जहां आपकी कर्सर है. Once the picture get inserted, एक बार जब आपकी पिक्चर यहाँ इंसर्ट हो जाती है, you can resize the picture. How you can resize the picture? As we are doing with the help of fingers in the mobile, you can resize your picture by clicking these points. यहाँ points बने हुए होते हैं आपके pictures में. You will get this 8 points. By clicking on this 8 points, अपना mouse pointer जब आप इन points पर लेकर आओगे, your arrow will get change in double sided arrow. ऐसी double sided arrow में वो change हो जाएगा mouse pointer. Now you can click and drag the image to resize it. One more option, you can shift your picture. अगर आपको ये place पसंद नहीं आ रही, you want to change this picture to here, so you can click and drag this picture to here. This picture will move on this place. Is it clear to you all? Now our next topic is insert. We have to insert a shape. Now we will insert a shape. All the options you will get are the same in insert shape. You have to add illustration from insert tab. On behalf of picture here, you will click on the which option? You will click on shapes option. SHAPES, shapes option. Here you will click on shapes option. In first one, you had clicked picture option. Here you will click on shape option. When you will click on the shape option, you will get different types of shapes. The shapes box will appear. जिस box में shapes होते हैं ना बहुत सारे, जब आप shapes पे click करोगे बहुत सारे shapes आ जाएंगे. Once you will click on the shapes option, you will get different types of shapes. Which kind of shapes you will get in shapes option? Circle, rectangle, square, cloud shapes. With that, you will get so many different options like flowcharts, callouts and codes. So you will get this option here. Which option you want to choose, or which kind of shape you want to choose, same as picture. First of all, before doing all this process, you have to put your cursor over there, and where you want to insert this, while clicking double click or a single click with insert option, you will get inserted on this place. And once the shape will get inserted, you can resize it, you can move it, even you can rotate it, because this facility is not available on picture, but on shapes you will get this rotation sign. While clicking on this rotation sign, you can rotate to 360 degree your shape. Is it clear to you all? When we will insert the shape, you can resize the shape, or even you can rotate the shape to 360 degree. Once the shape inserted and the shape you had selected, then you will get the format tab. Which tab? A format tab. It is a format tab. A new tab, that is format tab, will be visible on your menu bar. While clicking on this format tab, you will change the design of the shape, effect of the shape, shadows. You can give the shadows to the shape. What are the effects? Effect you can give them 2D effect, 3D effect, or you can show them shadow effect, 2D rotation, 3D rotation, anything you can do it. One more thing, a drawing tool also appears. Drawing tool. These two tools will be appear in your tab when you will choose the inserted shape. Is it clear to you? Now our next topic is inserting smart art. Number 1, we had inserted here picture. Number 2, we had inserted that is shape. Number 3, now we are going to insert that is smart art graphic. What is smart art? Smart art are the different shapes which we can use to write the formulas which we can use to make the family tree or the food chart. You will get the facility to write in these boxes in among the shapes of the smart art graphics. Now all the things are same, all the steps are same. First of all, where you want to insert your shape, you have to put your cursor over that place. Another point number 2, you have to click on insert tab, illustration group. This is illustration group. In insert tab you will find the illustration group, and in illustration group you have to click on smart art graphics. With the help of smart art graphic we can make our organization chart or even complex graphic such as Venn diagrams or organization charts. Now let's start how to insert it. First of all, we will put our cursor on the place where we want to insert it. Then insert tab, illustration group. After that you have to click on the smart art. When you select the smart art option, you will get different types of smart arts options. Select which you need, and while clicking or double clicking on that or one clicking and insert, you will get inserted your smart art graphics. Smart art graphic provide you to write something in the shapes. You can choose your desired art by double clicking on it. Now is it clear? All the illustration group में जो जो options हैं वो सारे select करने के लिए first of all you have to click on insert, then illustration, and then you will get all the desired options additional to your document. Now our next topic is inserting word art. How to insert a word art? Once you inserted the smart art, you can resize the smart art. You can change the color of smart art graphic. You can make the borders. Even you can change the color of the text written in the smart art graphics, style of it, color of it, border of it. Now let's start inserting word art. Point number 4 or option number 4, that is word art. As most of you all knows that we are writing Braille font. How we are writing? That in the form of that the designer letters to decorate our chart, to decorate our headings, or even the picture which we like. So mostly this word art, as its name, it is the art for the words. Whatever the name you want to write in a designer form or a designer color, you can choose and make it. Word consists of set of decorative text. Actually, word art is known as a decorative text, which is known as word art, which we can insert from the same process by using the insert tab. Word art is also inserted from the insert tab, but it is not from the illustration group. Now the group has changed. The group name is text group because word is related to the text. So little change was there. That is text group. इंसर्ट टैब के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं आज हम सारा. तो इंसर्ट टैब टेक्स्ट ग्रुप. टेक्स्ट ग्रुप में जाके आप ऑप्शन चेंज करोगे, दैट इज वर्ड आर्ट. Previously I told you word art is related with the word. Word, it means the letters which you are writing. Previously we had done smart art. Smart art में graphics आते हैं. Word art में when we will click on word art, the word art gallery will appear on our screen. Word art gallery हमारे screen पे on हो जाएगी और जिसमें different different style के word लिखे हुए होंगे, double line, single line, different different shades on it, different different color on it. So while clicking your desired style, once you will click on it, a text box will appear on your screen. आपके screen पे एक text box आ जाएगा जिसमें लिखा होगा your text here. मतलब यहाँ आपको अपना टेक्स्ट लिखना है. While clicking on it, जो टेक्स्ट आपको लिखना है, जो सेंटेंस, जो नेम आपको लिखना है, click on it and you can write over it. Again, जब आपका ये लिख के हो जाएगा, to deselect it, इसको डिसलेक्ट करने के लिए आप इस बॉक्स के बाहर कहीं भी क्लिक करोगे, this will get deselect. And if you want to change the color of it, again click on this and from formatting option you can change the color of this. Is it clear? Drawing tool आता है, वहां से आप इसका कलर चेंज कर सकोगे and you can resize also. आप इसको resize कर सकते हो. You can move it from one place to another while clicking on this. इस एरिया पे जब क्लिक करोगे then you will get all this facility. Is it clear? Our next topic is checking spelling and grammar. Our next feature of Word document is checking spelling and in checking spelling and grammar. A Word document provides us a proofing feature. What is this proofing feature? In spelling and grammar, Word document provide us a proofing feature. What is the meaning of proofing feature? Have you seen the type document of Word? Monitor पे कभी आपने टाइप किया हुआ डॉक्यूमेंट देखा है? If you have not seen and you having the facility of computer at home, so you will just try it. When you will write the text, the computer shows you some wavy lines. Wavy lines just like this. These wavy lines are of different colors. Which different color? Red, green and blue. Why the red lines computer shows? Red lines shows the spelling error. Red line क्या शो कर रही है? Spelling error. यानी कि आपकी स्पेलिंग में कुछ मिस्टेक है. Number 2, green line. What the green line shows? Green wavy line shows that grammatical error. यानी यहाँ पे कुछ जो आपने डॉक्यूमेंट लिखा है उसमें according to grammar some mistake was there. Grammatical mistake. Grammatical mistake can be anything, even it can be a capital or small letter also. Number 3, blue line. What the blue line shows us? A blue line shows us correct spell but misused word. Spelling is correct but वो word जो इनके डिक्शनरी में नहीं होता, that is misused words. Like when we are writing some name, maybe it is not in computer's dictionary, then it will show us the errors as the name of any organization or any field. This will show with the blue wavy lines. Now let's talk how to insert the grammar and spelling options. कंप्यूटर ऑटोमेटिकली इतना तो शो आपको करता है, उसके बाद भी इफ यू आर फाइंडिंग आपको अपनी मिस्टेक समझ में नहीं आ रही है कि इसकी स्पेलिंग अगर रेड लाइंस आ रही है एंड स्पेलिंग इज रॉन्ग, तो विच स्पेलिंग शुड बी हियर, देन वी विल अप्लाइंग स्पेलिंग एंड ग्रामर चेकिंग. सो हाउ टू स्टार्ट विथ स्पेलिंग एंड ग्रामर चेकिंग. For applying spelling and grammar checking, you have to click on review tab. Once you have typed the document, you have to click on review tab. In review tab, you have to click on proofing group. proofing group, you have to choose the option that is spelling and grammar. After selecting spelling and grammar option, one dialog box will appear. In that dialog box, the wrong or wrong spellings will be shown with a red color and you get their options. One is ignore. Ignore means don't choose the spelling. आपने spelling गलत लिखी है but आप नहीं चाहते उसको change करना, then you will click on the ignore button. You will get the following options. One is ignore. If you don't want to change the spelling once, then you will click on ignore. But the spelling is repeated so many times, just I told you that like an organization's name. Because maybe it is not added in the computer dictionary. So you can do one thing, you can ignore all. मतलब जहाँ जहाँ वो spelling बार बार repeat हुई है, computer will show you again and again the red underlines. So you can, in one attempt, you can omit that all spellings. Omit it means you can ignore that all spellings at one, कि computer बार बार उसके ऊपर attention ना करे. Third option you will get, that is add to dictionary. Add to dictionary. It means this word should be added in your dictionary and it is your most usable word. So you can add it to the computer's dictionary. Now, more three options were there. If you don't like that spelling, you can do the change option. Click on change option. अगर आपको उस spelling को change करना है once time, then you will click on change option. If you want to change all the spellings, यानी जितनी बार ये spelling लिखी है उतनी बार आपने mistake करी है and you want to change that all spelling, so you can choose the change all button. आप यहाँ पे change all button को select करोगे. Third option you will get here is auto correct. Auto correct में क्या होता है, जब जब ये spelling आएगी computer will automatically correct it. Maybe you have the habit of writing the wrong spelling, so you can, while clicking on auto correct, वो spelling जब आएगी और आप wrong करोगे, computer will automatically correct it. You can use the right click option also. आपके जो mouse का second button होता है, by the middle finger you are pressing, you can click on that button, you will get the spelling and grammar option. While clicking on that right button, you will get the another option for your written spelling, and while clicking on that, you can choose any of that spelling. The last option, no more. You can also select ignore to ignore the spelling mistake of the underlined word. आपने जो word underline किया है उसकी सारी mistakes को हटाने के लिए आप ignore word भी check कर सकते हो और add to dictionary भी. Okay, with this our chapter number 1 get completed. Your homework is you have to read chapter number 1 of your computer book. Bye. See you. Meet you in next class. Take care.